Explore Chamberlain San Antonio campus, located just outside this diverse city of 1.4 million people. Our campus offers state-of-the-art educational facilities set against the area's tapestry of Hispanic heritage. In the city of the Alamo and Riverwalk, you can engage with the community's unique history and culture, from museums to year-round events and festivals to shopping and river tours. Lobby. Begin your Chamberlain journey in the welcoming atmosphere of our admission lobby. Here you'll meet our passionate student ambassadors who are eager to share their insider tips and favorite campus spots on your personalized tour. The Commons. Step into the Commons, a lively and versatile space where every visit is an opportunity to create, collaborate, and unwind. Whether you're fueling your study session with a snack or mingling at a student event, this is where campus life thrives. SIMCARE Center. Step into the future of healthcare at the SIMCARE Center. Here, you'll be at the forefront of medical innovation, mastering patient care through high-stakes simulations that mirror real-world challenges. From the miracle of childbirth to the adrenaline rush of emergency scenarios, gain the confidence to lead with compassion and skill. Skills Lab. Sharpen your clinical prowess in Chamberlain's state-of-the-art Skills Lab. Surrounded by cutting-edge technology and lifelike mannequins, you'll transform theoretical knowledge into hands-on expertise. Flexible open lab sessions mean you can hone your skills on your schedule, ensuring you're prepared for whatever nursing throws your way. Center for Academic Success, CAS. Elevate your study game at the CAS, where academic support meets personalized learning. Collaborate with peers or delve into solo study in our tranquil study spaces. With a fleet of tech at your fingertips and expert tutors just a question away, every study session is a step towards success. Library. A quiet haven for solo or group study, the library is where concentration and collaboration coexist, complete with resources for every academic endeavor. Science Wet Lab. Immerse yourself in the microscopic world in our Science Wet Lab. With state-of-the-art equipment and intimate learning stations, you'll explore the building blocks of life and unlock the secrets of the human body. Military Room. A tribute to service and dedication, the Military Room is an exclusive space for our military students. Adorned with honors and designed for camaraderie, it's a room that respects and reflects your commitment.